History and mythology of Kabaddi. Kabaddi isn't just a sport, it's the heartbeat of India's ancient spirit. Born from myth, shaped by warriors, and cherished in villages, Kabaddi unites strength, strategy, and endurance. Today, we travel through centuries to uncover how this simple breath held contest grew from the soil of India into a timeless symbol of discipline and unity. Origins of Kabaddi, Vedic period. The story of Kabaddi begins in the Vedic period. Rural tribes played it to test strength, agility, and breath control. It prepared warriors for combat while entertaining communities after harvest. The word Kabaddi comes from the Tamil Kapidi, to hold hands. What started as a village challenge became a living metaphor for teamwork and willpower. Ancient roots of Kabaddi. As India's civilizations flourished, Kabaddi took root in every region. Villagers across the northern plains played it as both recreation and preparation for battle. The game tested strength, agility, and strategy among neighbors and friends. Some evidence places its origins as early as 2000 BCE, making Kabaddi one of humanity's oldest organized team sports. Born from the soil and sweat of ancient India, it remains a testament to endurance and courage. Kabaddi in ancient Indian texts. Ancient scriptures preserved Kabaddi's essence long before formal records. The Mahabharata describes contests during the Pandavas' exile, emphasizing tactics and endurance. The Ramayana portrays princes proving their strength and agility. The Manusmriti and early Vedic hymns praise physical training and group play. Together, these works reveal a culture that prized mind and muscle alike, exactly what Kabaddi demands. Mythological references. Indian mythology breathes life into Kabaddi's values. Lord Hanuman's strength and speed mirror the perfect raider. King Harishchandra's endurance embodies the sport's moral backbone. Goddess Durga's fearless battles symbolize the defender's courage. Even the Mahabharata's warriors practice raids resembling Kabaddi's play. Each legend reinforces the same truth. Victory belongs to courage and control. Kabaddi as a warrior's training. Long before stadiums, Kabaddi was a soldier's classroom. Warriors trained by chanting Kabaddi Kabaddi in a single breath, building lung power and focus. The raids mimicked real combat, infiltration, capture, escape, but without weapons. It taught teamwork, timing, and tactical thinking. In every move, warriors learned discipline, the same discipline modern players still strive for today. Kabaddi in ancient sculptures and art. Art proves how deeply Kabaddi was woven into daily life. Gupta era terracotta plaques show athletes frozen in motion. Chola temple carvings portray vigorous group contests, merging sport and devotion. The Ajanta cave murals capture lively scenes of physical games, celebrating strength and balance. Across centuries, artists immortalize Kabaddi as both recreation and reverence. Regional variations in historical Kabaddi. As Kabaddi spread, it adapted to every landscape. In Punjab, it became a raw test of power played in open fields. Tamil Nadu's Sadugudu emphasized agility and speed. Maharashtra's Hututu focused on teamwork and quick tagging. Kerala's temple festivals turned the sport into ritual and ceremony. Each variation kept the same heartbeat, unity through competition. Kabaddi in folklore and oral traditions. For generations, Kabaddi lived through the voices of storytellers. Legends tell of King Harishchandra training warriors through Kabaddi, mastering stealth and strategy. Villagers passed the game to their children during harvests, teaching endurance and community. And in the famed tale of the brave raider, a lone hero uses cunning Kabaddi tactics to outwit stronger foes. These stories preserve the sport's moral core: honor, intelligence, and perseverance. Cultural festivals featuring Kabaddi. Even today, Kabaddi beats at the heart of India's festivals. During Punjab's Lohri, fields fill with players and cheers, a salute to courage and brotherhood. In Tamil Nadu's Pongal, Kabaddi showcases rural pride and harvest joy. At the Baisakhi Melas of North India, whole communities gather to celebrate strength and unity. Through every festival, Kabaddi connects generations, a living bridge between ancient valor and modern celebration.